Whether your front door opens into a grand, classical entryway or right onto the dark corner of the kitchen, that will be the first place your guests see in your home. The following small entryway ideas will turn your non-foyer into a pleasant entryway no matter what its size or scale. 1. Mount wall hooks. Having a hook for your guests' outerwear and your own sopping wet raincoat will make them feel as if you've actually designed the space with their arrival in mind. 2. Pull up a small chair or bench. Even a wee bench, pressed up against the wall by the door will suffice. As would a single chair, the idea is just to carve out a spot for your guests to take off their shoes when they enter or plop down their purses. Minimal square footage required. 3. Hang a floating shelf. A floating shelf is perfect for dropping keys and stacking mail without taking up any floor space at all. Find one with built-in hooks or install your own underneath to make the most of your wall space. 4. Add a small console table. If you have a wedge of floor space, consider placing a petite console table or chest in the entry. Find one that has storage, or utilize the area underneath to stash shoes, bags, and all those other things you tend to trip over on your way out the door. 5. Bring in extra storage. If you find the floor near your front door cluttered with shoes, bags, and umbrellas, reclaim the space with storage specifically suited to holding those items. 7. Find a mail sorter. One of the biggest entryway pains is to be the ever-expanding pile of mail you are confronted with, which is why a handy-dandy sorter is such a good idea. 8. Bring in plant friends. Add some life to your entry with a plant or two. Choose a colorful planter or plant stand to make more of an impact, either to sit on the floor or be hung up on the wall. 9. Style a classic entryway. Love French country-inspired decor? The vintage dresser is a cornerstone in this petite foyer. A tray on top and basket beneath keeps grab-and-go things orderly. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.